Okay, hello. So today we are going to do problems from weekly counters 342. The first problem is calculate delayed arrival time. So basically, pretty straightforward. We get the arrival time, and did we have by how much we were delayed. So this is the arrival time of train. And this is sort of, these are hours. Okay, that's important. And so hours go from like um, 0 to all the way in a 24 hours, right? So 0, 1, 2, 12, 15, and then once you reach 23, which is 11 p.m., you get to 24 again, which is 0. And so that's sort of the idea here with the hours. And so, for example, here arrival time is 15. We are delayed by 5 hours, and so overall it means we'll arrive at 20, right, which is 8 p.m. Now for this second one here, we are supposed to arrive at 13, but we are delayed by 11 hours, and so that means we'll arrive at 00, right, hour, which is basically, this would be 24, right, which means basically we'll go all the way, circle back to 0. And so you can see pretty much what this is basically just when we go from 0, 1, 2 each time we add, but once you reach 24 it goes back to 0. And so this is exactly just what modulo is for, right? And so what we can do here is just exactly do that. So we know that we have our arrival time, we add our delay, right? And then we need to modulo 24, because once you reach 24 hours you go back to 0, and we start counting again to 1, to 2, to 3. Yeah, very, very simple here. And so if we run it, it should work, submit, and it does pass. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this problem. Very, very easy. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.